It's dry and 2 thumbs up. These are the things that you're going to need. Make sure you do this for the parents. Hi guys, it's Anaya the Scientist. Hi guys, we're gonna make some slime. We got some glue, baking soda, solution, food coloring in a bowl. Step 1, 1 cup of glue. Hurry up! I think that's all. Step 2, 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Number 3, 1/4 of solution. I got the color red. Now it's time to mix it up. Wow! Wow! There we go. Oh. All slimes are gonna be different. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. Check out my bloopers. Number 5.
Number 4.
Step 2. Step 2. 1. I don't remember.